And here, as you can see, the story successfully shared to my Facebook. Tapping on this link icon, and here we can see this is a clickable link. So you have a video on your YouTube and now you want to share the video link on your Facebook story. In Facebook, here is no option to add link or clickable link story. So we have to use Instagram to upload a clickable link on our Facebook story. First of all, go to your YouTube and just search for the video that you want to share to your Facebook story. Open the video and just tap on share and copy the video link. Once you successfully copy it, now just open your Instagram and now go to your profile, tap on this hamburger menu, account center, and here tap on accounts, and now just tap on add accounts, and all you have to need, add here your Facebook account. So as you can see, I've already added my Facebook account here. Now go back from here, and now let's create a story. Tap on sticker, and here select link, and in this link box just paste your YouTube video link that you just copied. And here you can see the link added. Now just share this story, and here we can see sharing options. Just tap on sharing options, and here make sure to select share once and tap on share. Done. And now I'm going to opening my Facebook, and here as you can see the story successfully shared to my Facebook. Tapping on this link icon, and here we can see this is a clickable link.